everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, very exciting, I got some of my wax melts in the mail. The first one that I got was a order from the Melted Mousse. I just recently learned about this company, but I did place an order for some of their scent shot cups. And then also today one of my Scentsy boxes came. I'm getting another one tomorrow, so I'll probably do those two tomorrow when I get them both. But first I just wanted to do the Melted Mousse since I did get those ones in, and I have a decent amount, so I felt like the video would be too much if I did all of it together. So she sent me this lovely little package. She actually wrapped it up really well. I was kind of nervous because it's been so warm here, so I came home right once I knew it got delivered from work today because I was nervous if it sat in my mailbox. It got delivered at like 1-ish, and so I got home maybe like an hour and a half later. I was nervous if I waited all the way until 5. It might be a disaster up in my mailbox because it was pretty hot. So my little order list, she wrote this lovely note on here. She said, "I hope you enjoy these scents. Thanks so much for your order. Happy melting. Love, Jackie." So this is very nice. This is like a small, like she runs it herself to my knowledge. And then also I used the code first timer for 10% off, and she said thank you. She wrote a little heart around it, so that's so sweet. And this cute little thing came with it too. It says it's here. Really exciting. So she sent me 2 little samples, which was really exciting as well. And then here are all the little scent shots I got. So let's just start off with the 2 little samples. So one of them is Golden Sands. I can't find this on her website, so I don't know what the scent of it is, but it kind of smells, I can't tell. It smells, these are a little bit melted still. Like, as you can see, this one got a little bit damaged. Like, it was pretty hot. It smells like something bakery, but also like sandalwood. I'm not sure. I like it. I'm really excited to burn it, but like I said, I can't find it on her website. Burn it, melt it, whatever. I can't find it on her website, so I don't know if it's just like one that she had extras of or what the case might be, but I'm excited for that. It's a little heart. And then I got this little one that's like a donut type shape, and it's Serendipity. So this one I did find on our website. It says a blend of vanilla, coconut, and cherry. And this one smells really good. It's definitely all those things. Vanilla, coconut, and cherry. Yes, and I want to say like fairly, not heavy on the cherry, but like cherry is one of the notes you get like right away, like cherry vanilla. Yes, I'm really excited, and I love how it's in this cute little shape. I love that. Okay, so onto this little packaging here. Isn't this so cute? It like has leaves all over it. Did she write? Oh, the mailer. The mailer had this cute sticker that was like a pumpkin that said Happy Mail. Isn't that so cute? I don't know where she got that, but I really like that. So these, I don't think I'm going to take them out of the little cups to smell like the whole thing because they got pretty melty. But we'll just start here. So the first one is Cake by the Ocean. Birthday cake, cotton candy, frosting, and salty sea air. Maybe. And then also, as you can see right down here, she has the pour date on there. I'm pretty sure on her website it says 4 weeks is the recommendation to like let them finish curing. But the latest like pour date that I got is August 5th, so it's pretty close. I mean, I'll maybe wait like 1 more week just in case for certain of these scents, but a lot of them say July, so it should be fine, but just something to note. Okay, so let's smell this one. Also, it has a little like dolphin fin in there. That's so cute. So this one truly smells like for sure that birthday cake and that cotton candy frosting, but it definitely has that airy type note to it to make it a little bit like not as bakery or like sweet cloying. Yeah, I'm really excited. Also, these are 2-ounce cups, and she said on her website, she's like, I recommend doing 1 ounce. So I'll probably just cut these in half down the line here. Okay, next one is cider donuts, cinnamon sugar donuts, and hot apple cider. Oh, this is calling to my fall wishes right now. It truly smells exactly like cinnamon sugar donuts. I don't even really, there's maybe a little bit of the cider in there. Yeah, I'm maybe getting a little bit of the apple cider, but a lot of the cinnamon sugar donuts. Ooh, I'm really excited to light this, and I'm light this. Oh my gosh, people, it's not candles. I'm really excited to melt this. I haven't done any fall stuff yet, and I'm just really itching for it. The next one is County Fair, funnel cakes, cotton candy, and carameled apples. Here is this one, bright yellow wax, and this one has a little candy too. Those are so cute. This one is interesting. It is literally like all of these scents, but not at the same time. Like, it hits you at different times. So the first scent, you kind of get that whiff of the caramel apples, and then in the background you kind of get that like funnel cakey type situation, and then also I feel like at the end you kind of get that cotton candy sweetness. I think this is going to be really, really interesting to melt, because I don't know what it's going to be like. Is it going to be like way too much with all 3 of these scents going on at one time? But I don't know, I'm excited. Again, these are only like a quick shot type of trial, so I'm really excited to just try them, because I didn't want to buy like a huge situation when I've never like tried this company before. So beach bonfire, toasty campfire marshmallow, and salty sea air. There's this one. I've really been onto like the marshmallow fireside type kick, and I'm not sure if this will be similar because it has that salty sea air. But look at the wax. It's like blue and purple. Love that. This one is very clean smelling. It's like you get a lot of that salty sea air, and I feel like maybe you're not by the campfire, maybe you're in the water, but the campfire is going over there, you know? That's kind of the vibe I get. Like, it smells almost like you're closer to the water than to the bonfire, but maybe when I burn it, it'll be different, but that's what I'm getting from this. Definitely a lot of the salty sea air, which I think will be nice and like fresh and clean to kind of wrap out summer, because it is still pretty hot here, so I didn't necessarily want to like dive into fall, so that's why I kind of got some of these like lingering summer scents. Boardwalk marshmallow clouds. This one is whipped vanilla cream, marshmallow sandalwood, and magnolia blossom. This one's like a really pretty, just light blue wax. No fanciness to this one. Honestly, I think this one might be my favorite one so far. So I'm getting the vanilla cream, the marshmallow, and the sandalwood. It doesn't necessarily smell like floral, like magnolia blossom, like a ton, but I feel like it's probably in there. Like the sandalwood's maybe bringing it out too a little bit. I don't know. I really, really like this one. I think this might be my favorite one I picked up. Obviously, things can change while you're warming. This one's pretty light, but like, oh, I think this would be really nice for the bedroom. Next, pink fluff cake, strawberry jam, vanilla cupcakes, toasted marshmallow. This one, I love the wax color. If you guys know me, I hope these are like not blurry. If you guys know me, pink's my favorite color. Look at the color of it, it's so pretty. So, this one is like strawberry ice cream. It's like pretty heavy on the strawberry, but it's like not juicy strawberries, it's like cake strawberry. Like Jello sponge cake, like strawberry Jello sponge cake. No, yes. That's what it kind of smells like to me, that type of strawberry, not like a real strawberry. And I wonder if the toasted marshmallow is what's giving it that kind of like more bakery, like cooked in the oven type scent. Yeah, but it doesn't necessarily smell like strawberries you're gonna eat with your yogurt. It smells like strawberry Jello you're gonna mix with like a strawberry sponge cake, if that makes sense. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. So not exactly sure where I'm gonna warm this, but we'll figure it out. So the next one is Sleepover Party, Birthday Cake and Lavender Marshmallow. This one has, oh, here, let me show it to you. This one has these cute little like bead things on top. That's so cute. This one, I've been really into like lavender lately, which is kind of not my thing. I'm not really a florals person, but I'm kind of like dipping my toes into the lavender scene. So I picked this scent and another scent that kind of had some lavender in it. I feel like maybe it would smell different when it's warming, but okay, I'm gonna take a risk here. I don't know, it has like a essential oil lavender type smell, not like a lavender marshmallow type smell, but maybe that marshmallow and the birthday cake will come out a little bit more when it's melting. But right now the top is more of like vanilla or like marshmallow or whatever you want to call it, and then I feel like the bottom is definitely more like lavender essential oil smelling. I feel like as it warms it might even itself out. So I'm not like 100% sold on this, but lavender I'm excited to like put kind of in the bedroom for like night time. You know what I mean? Like I think it'll be a nice calming scent. So the last one I picked up is Mrs. Sandman, Pink Sugar, Toasted Marshmallow, and French Lavender. Here's what that looks like, hopefully. So this one's definitely not, they might be the same type of colored wax. This one might be a little bit lighter lavender purple, and this one might be a little bit darker purple. But they're pretty close colored. This one has a cute little star in it. I like that. This one definitely has that same lavender essential oil smell, so that makes me think like they kind of have the same base a little bit, because it definitely has that same. This one's, I'm not exactly positive. This one smells different. I mean, they're definitely not the same scent. I feel like this one's more lavender. I don't know if it's the toasted marshmallow that's making it smell like deeper. Then this one definitely smells more like vanilla marshmallow lavender, and this one smells like lavender essential oil more on cold. So not exactly sure. Like I said, I'm just kind of like dipping my toes into the lavender, so if I hate them, whatever. I just want to try some scents out. And then she does like you can get these little trial scent shots that you can just like order right off her website, and then I think she does custom orders, like if you want a bigger like loaf, or I don't really know, I'm not super like knowledgeable about the situation, but it's all on her website. So it tells you like what size, and if you want like a cute shape or a design on top, and then you can like directly contact her to order the bigger size. But so yeah, I'm just gonna try these out. I really like this little sample she gave me, so I might get that one. And then, like I said, my favorite so far was the Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. This is my favorite, just like from right here smelling them. So yeah, that is what I picked up from the Melted Mousse. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. But that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.